My name's Chris Briggs. I've been a massage therapist for about 30 years. And during lockdown and afterwards, you probably can't see your own therapist. And managing your own mental health, your anxiety, and your frustration may be leading you to feel depression or that you're starting to suffer with panic attacks. These are all massage moves that you can do for yourself and for your household. They come largely from shiatsu or from acupressure, and we work on points around the body. Specifically for this one, it's on your hands, your upper chest, and your neck. And these will help get you out of your head and back feeling like yourself again. These can also help you manage your own pain levels and get back control over your emotions. If you enjoy these videos, please let me know. I'm happy to help you with your own specific needs. Just contact me with your questions and enjoy the moves and have fun.